So this is the part 3, guys. So let's continue our thing. So MCU, as you can see, I guess it's just electronic rooms. As you can see, these and all those. I think this is a bell. Look at this. It moves and I guess ting 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 like that. But oh, this is junior officer's cabin. They used to sleep like that. Hey, yo, wait. There are still books left and a old computer. Oh my gosh, dude, what the hell is this? I'm literally shit scared. Look at these old pipes. The smell also isn't that good. I'm very shitly terrified actually right now. Look at this. Like, this is old rusted thing. I can feel any time now. Look at this. I'm very scared. I guess this is the engine. Yes, this is the engine. This is the shaft, I guess. Look at all these wirings, dude. This is actually one of the antique pieces. We're gonna go in video right now. Look at this. Switches, I guess. Obviously they don't work. Yeah, so let's just not do anything. Let's just go. Oh my damn, dude, look at all these. I dare. Yes, obviously nothing happens. But yeah, look at these. All this used to be a big submarine, and now, oh wait, no way. Oh my gosh, it's actually very scary. So let's just go. Oh my, no way, another thing. I'm gonna fall. Look at this. Yeah, I guess that's moving. So look at this. All the pressure cabins used to like control the like up and down motion of this thing. Look at that. I'm literally shitly terrified. Yes, this is the shaft that drives it. Look at that. Like, first we saw 3 engine and then 2 more engines right now. I don't know if they're engines or something. I guess they just used to provide air, I guess. Now okay. Okay, I guess it's normal thing. Look at this, same thing. So many engineering goes into this making of submarine. So this is the back side. Yeah, exit, but they closed it. We can go up, but actually you can see this. So we're gonna go up. These stairs are really creepy. I don't know when they'll fall upon me. Oh, ship gallery. Let's check that out. Okay, ship gallery. There's not. Oh, look at this. Look at that, dude. Yeah, to come outside. We'll go outside. Wait, in a sec. What is in that? You can all actually see. Yeah, that's the down thing. So, oh my gosh. Literally, it's so creepy when it went down. How much creepier it should be. Look at this. So, look at that. I showed you earlier, right? That's the thing. Okay. Shiva Pratap. O plus. So that's the name. Fire hydrants. I know they don't work, but I'm not gonna touch them. Nor the switches, no. But yeah. Oh, look at that, dude. I am not. I can't touch or think. I mean, I can touch some. Oh my gosh! Look at this. The pressure. I guess somebody's on me right now. The pressure knobs. Okay, good. Oh my god. What the hell are these toilets, bro? I'm gonna get motion sick right now. Okay, so I'm not gonna bore you. Look at that, dude. Literally, so many things are getting into this. Oh my gosh, dude! Look at this. Oh no, I'm not allowed to. Look, left and right. That's a little window you can see, and this is the whole cabin view. So wait, is this okay? I need some height to see that, but so let's go outside. It's actually really. Oh my gosh, look at this. I guess this is the gun, maybe. Look at this. So I want to show you. This is situated in Karwar. Karwar. You know why I came here? Like my friend's father is a officer, so he invited us. I am so excited to go on to the top. Let's just go on to the top. Oh my damn. Wait. Look at that. Another thing, this is the topmost thing. So yeah, wait. The sea view, ocean view. I'm very terrified to go up there. But let's just go up here. I want to go in that thing right there, but we are not allowed to. So that's the ending of this video, guys. So if you like this, please like our channel. Bye, guys.